June 25th is Global Beatles Day. This date is legendary because it marks the anniversary of the 1967 Our World broadcast. The Beatles performed All You Need Is Love live for the very first time, but here's the kicker. It was the world's first ever live global satellite television link. We're talking over 400 million people across 24 countries watching simultaneously. It wasn't just a performance. It was a revolutionary moment that used technology to bridge borders and spread a message of peace and unity to a divided world. It proved that music really is a universal language. Established in 2009, this day celebrates the Fab Four's massive impact on history and culture. It's a time for fans everywhere to honor the band's legacy and keep that spirit of creativity and harmony alive. So whether you're spinning Abbey Road, spreading some love, or just humming Yellow Submarine, June 25th has something for everyone. If you want to learn more, visit nationaltoday.com.